Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open Settings application and then tap to Sound and Vibration. Just to activate silent mode, we should switch sound to the silent. And now all of the notifications, they are blocked, as you can see, so this means that the silent mode activated successfully. If you want to make it by another way, we should first open notification panel shortcuts, and here you should find sound icon. Just to activate silent mode, you should click here once on the sound icon, twice, and now we can see that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, we should click here on the icon once again, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. So now the third, just press up or down volume button, then click here twice, once, and now we can see that the vibration of silent mode is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.